Hi, so today I'm going to be making a painting of some nice lips from a front view and from a sideways-ish view. So I'm just going in with a very light wash of burnt umber and crimson. So now that that first layer is dry, I'm going in with another layer of crimson and burnt umber. I'm also going to be leaving in spaces for my highlights, because the thing with watercolor is that you can always add more paint, but you can't always take out the paint. So it's better just to leave in the gaps and then fill it in later. Okay, so for this part, I'm slowly blending out my edges with a relatively dry brush. I use a dry brush so I avoid blooms. And I try to blend while my work is still a bit damp but not fully dry. You don't always have to blend out your work, but I'm going for a more subtle look. That's why I'm doing this. Here I'm trying to lift out some of the excess paint by just, soaking my brush and adding a bit of water and just trying to get it out. So after my first layer is completely dry to the touch, I'm going in with another wash of burnt umber and crimson. So I'm just going in and giving some extra details to really define the upper lip. So I'm going in with a bit more cyan to really give the lips some definition. At the same time, I am still also very conscious of the spaces and my highlight, trying to make sure that I leave enough space for highlight, because you can always add more, but you can't always take it off. So I'm going back in with some burnt umber to give it some shadow and an illusion of volume. So here I'm adding another layer of burnt umber again. I think this might be my third or fourth layer. So here I'm trying my best to go around the pre-existing highlights as I add more pigment. So I'm adding a light wash of burnt umber to really give the painting some perspective. Okay, so on to the next painting. This is more of a sideways 45-degree angle, so I'm still going to be leaving in space for my highlights. I am working with the same two colors, burnt umber and crimson. So I'm going in with some crimson on the inner lip to give it a more pinkish hue. So after the 1000th layer is finally dry, I am adding even more crimson. I'm just going in with some finishing touches, but if you like today's video and if you want more content, please like and subscribe.